Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock Facebook profile in mobile. It is pretty quick and easy, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. So once you're in your Facebook account, go to the hamburger menu, and if you scroll down, you can see settings and privacy. Tap on it and go to settings and scroll down until you see an option profile locking under audience invisibility. Tap on profile locking, and here you can see lock your profile option. Tap on it, and voila, your profile is locked. It was pretty quick and easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Please don't forget to share your comments in the comment section, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.